Now, I've reviewed large EDC pouches before, like the Beefy Pocket Organizer from Maxpedition, as well as their double decker, and some other large EDC pouches like the Roaring Fire and other waxed canvas ones. But honestly, this might be the most versatile large EDC pouch that I've ever reviewed. It's not even necessarily meant exclusively for EDC, but its versatility is what makes it so great. This is the Small Items Organizer from Thread Wallets, and it's made from a really lightweight nylon material. It's got some really chunky zippers on it. It's not YKK, but they do have these really nice kind of chunky zipper tracks, really easy to open and close. And it fits a ton of stuff, and it even has this expansion zipper. So if you needed a little bit of extra room in here, you could undo this expansion zipper and give yourself another few inches of space. So that makes it really versatile. And because it's so large, this is something that would do better to like live in your car, live in your motorcycle saddlebag, live in your backpack, or live in a large messenger bag. You're obviously not going to fit this in your pocket unless you're wearing some really large cargo pants. So let's see how I have this loaded out. As you can see from the outside, it just has the little Minimal Thread Wallets logo on the front. It's that nice nylon material. You've got this double zipper with paracord zipper pulls. You also have a little slide pocket in the back that's flat if you wanted to put some documentation or flatter items in there. And then you have that compression zipper that I mentioned down below, but I don't currently need it for this setup. And then you have the main zipper with two zippers as well. So if you open that up, you can get a look at this first part of the pouch. So you have a little cinch pouch over here that has a little paracord closure with a stopper, and you can fit all types of loose gear in there, and it's very billowy. It's like a stuff sack that you can close. And then you have a little attachment point with a carabiner, as well as a little loop of paracord. So if you wanted to hang this up, if you were using it as a toiletry kit, it makes it really versatile for that. I think its intention was to be used as either a toiletry kit or like a makeup kit for women, because the way it's set up really makes it easy to carry a ton of makeup or a ton of toiletries. You could also use it as a large tech kit, but I found that it works perfectly also as an EDC kit. So then you have these mesh pockets over here. One's really long, one's short to hold stuff in place, plus you have these elastic loops. The other side of it has just a large mesh slide pocket. Then you have a zipper mesh pocket in the back here. So let's go over everything I have this loaded out with. If you open up this little cinch pouch here, I have an emergency whistle from CountyCom. I have a Fresnel lens for fire starting, as well as these little fire plugs. They're just these wax covered little cotton balls that you can unfurl, and then you can use them to start a fire. Have it just tied together with a rubber band. Got a Bic lighter for some extra fire starting. I have a large loop of Dyneema cord from CountyCom that's red and reflective. Really nice, strong Dyneema thread. Could be used for any type of cordage, whether you need to make a ridge line, tie down your tent, tie up any gear to your vehicle or whatever. You have a whole spool of that. I have a little fold-out pocket stove, little stick burner here. You can put those dry fill tabs in here. That's what it's intended for, but it also works well just to put like some little sticks in here if you wanted to boil water, make tea, coffee, whatever. Then I just have a really nice ferro rod, really chunky guy. It's got a nice wooden handle that you could scrape if you needed to get a little bit of extra tinder. It comes with a scraper that has a bottle opener, as well as a little ruler on it and a hex driver. It also comes with a little emergency whistle on the end and a little length of paracord. So I have fire starting and some cordage and stuff covered in this compartment, and it fits in there gloriously, and then you can just cinch down the sack. Makes it really easy. And then if you don't have much in there, you can just kind of flatten it out. Then on this first flap here, in the elastic loops, I've got my Hoto precision screwdriver. It's got all these different double-headed bits that are magnetized in the end. It spins on your palm, has a magnetic end to fit the bits in and holds them in place. It's great for working on small stuff like electronics or knives. Then I have the Victorinox Farmer X with a little glow-in-the-dark lanyard that I've attached. And this has a bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver. It's got an even smaller flathead screwdriver with a can opener. Has a nice saw blade. Has a really nice reamer tool if you need to put holes in something like wood or make like a really symmetrical hole. It's got your typical Victorinox non-locking knife blade. And it also gives you a really capable pair of scissors. So this has a ton of useful tools in it. I love this little multi-tool knife from Victorinox. Then I just have a telescoping magnet in case I dropped something or I dropped a screw or a nail or my keys. Has a really strong magnet on the end. It telescopes so you can pick up stuff really easily. See how strong that is? So that's always useful to have in a kit. Then I have my Knipex Cobra pliers. These things are great. You can really grab huge bolts with this, pull out nails, pull out staples. And the way it's designed, it's just such a nice quality pair of pliers. And when you hold it closed and turn to the right, it automatically clenches down on the bolt. Has a little cutout so it can grab square and hexagonal bolts. Just an absolutely amazing pair of pliers. Then in this deeper pocket, I just have a glow-in-the-dark fixed blade knife from Countycom. That's in a little Kydex sheath. And then it has a little beaded paracord end to it, so it makes it even easier to grab in your hand. It's nice that it glows in the dark. It's very visible. Really good for batoning wood or any kind of bushcraft you'd need to do. Great option for a fixed blade knife. Then I have these Klein Tools electrician scissors. You could use them as regular scissors. Also great for wire stripping. Great for cutting through any kind of different gauges of wire. Really useful tool. Then I just have a little mini Westcott metal ruler in here in case you needed to measure something or you needed to see how big a bolt or screw or something was. You have that right on hand, or a straight edge for drawing or, marking lines on something. And if we flip this over, I have my Wera tool check, and this thing has a little stubby screwdriver. It's got a mini ratchet. It's got a ratchet attachment for the stubby screwdriver. All types of different ratchet heads, all types of different bits, all in this little fold-away. Perfect little package. Then in this back mesh zipper compartment, just got some dude wipes just in case you had to do your business in the woods and you needed to clean yourself up. And then if you needed to clean your hands, I have some wet ones. They're nice and antibacterial. I have some compressible towels that you just pour water on, and then you get like a full towel that you can use to clean your hands, clean your face, clean off your clothes. Then I just have this little mini first aid kit from Bigfoot Canvas Company. It's made of wax canvas. It's got all kinds of different bandages. It's got gauze tape, all kinds of different stuff for first aid, and it fits in this neat little package and buttons closed. Then I need a writing tool, so I just have a polycarbonate embassy pen from Countycom, as well as a field notes notebook if I need to take notes, write down emergency contact information, draw maps, whatever I need, do some doodling to keep my mind occupied. I have this field notes notebook, 10% off if you use my affiliate code below. And overall, you can just fit a whole lot of different gear in here. I have EDC items, I have first aid, got some writing stuff, got some ways to clean off my face, clean my hands, clean my body. I have fire starting tools, pretty much everything I would need. I could throw in a flashlight too, but I just wanted to keep it simple this time. But you could easily use this for any of that. And if you don't want to use it for EDC, use it for makeup, use it as a dopp kit, use it as a large tech pouch. It's just so versatile and so lightweight. And then if you need a little bit more space, like I said, you just undo the compression zipper on it. And you got even more space in this back panel if you wanted to put larger gear or you just needed extra space. So again, this might be the most versatile large EDC pouch that I've ever reviewed. So I just think this is really cool. And the fact that you can use it for so many different things, it's so cheap. I think it's like 30 bucks. Very lightweight. Very durable zippers, lots of good organization, and multiple ways to carry different things. It's just a great little option to consider if you want like an alternative EDC pouch and you don't want to go with the classics. So definitely consider this if you're looking for a nice EDC pouch, a dopp kit, or a large tech kit. This could fit into any of those scenarios. What about you? What is your favorite large EDC kit? Do you have any that I haven't reviewed that you think I should? Leave a comment below. Thank you as always for liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and watching in general. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.